Kung team sports.
I am Prince Enrique Rufo, Talk Sports kay football.
I have a 3 question for you, Kuya, if it's okay for you.
Yeah.
First po is, what inspired you to pursue that particular sports and who are your role models?
Talk inspiration. Actually football. Ako pala nakuwaray kawayasin nila na sports. So bali, from elementary to biyan, bagat dream ko talaga makawayasin football. So bali, before ako mag-graduate naman, makawayas na malaki ng football.
And second po is, what were the preparations you have made for this event and what are some of the challenges you face?
Siyempre, usa ka challenges an academics kay siyempre nagsa-start ang training kay alas 3 pala ang call-up. So bali, mabutlaw, tigang kaharo, nagkatapos pala yung klase, tapos makari ka. Siyempre siya pinaka-challenging talaga paano mag-time management.
Thank you. And last question po is, what is an inspirational message would you like to share with the students of this?
Estudyantes, before you graduate, try to pursue bisan ano ng mga sports para naman lang maging memorability yung college life.
Thank you po, Kuya.
What is your particular who are your role models? Since po kasi grade 12 up po, passion ko po talaga ang karate do. So pag enter ko po ang college, anak po pinaka-role model is player la dama po han isu Higuel Chalo Montero. Hiya po akay ko haagan para po magpatuloy po han ko pag-play po han karate do.
What's your preparation you have made to this?
Makuri, nagbabatak talaga yung training para hibaro kahit distance, hit compo, kung ano po talaga ko ang pinaka-technique para hibaro kahit karate do.
And what are some of the challenges of your face?
Masyang po nga, ginamay pa ng ginagian kay masul halawas, ng tanan, para lang talaga hibaro nga sports.
What is your inspirational message would you like share to students?
Maya hatag lang po nga mga message kasi player po dito is magpatuloy lang po gihapon hira kay waray po nagdadaog nga may napiperde to sorry po napiperde na may nagdadaog so bisa ko maperde na may na po next time mabawi po ngayon ipagpatuloy la dire la pumasok ko.
Thank you. What's inspired to your purpose to particular sports?
Mga friends nga coach.
Who are your models?
Bugtok.
What your preparation you have made to for event?
Wala nakikinaturo bla.
What are some of your challenges you face?
Mga ibang unit na kalaban kay aros kasi ibang purupet unit for mga ada kasi taran mga soccer player sa pinurang kami tayo.
What is your inspirational message to would like to share with students?
Personality yung mga pangarap ng goals